Hey guys, what's up? It's Kobo. Today I'm doing this and showing some at nighttime. Great, now I'm gonna have nightmares. Get it? You don't? I don't either. Alright, so we're going to be doing Beestorm Simulator. I don't know why that took me a bit to actually realize they were playing this. But yeah, so I actually want to do some of my queens. My queen. Okay, so I got these ouch. Okay, I got these quests here. I got honey. I got honey. I need more honey, and I need honey tokens, I believe. Yes. I need some honey tokens. Give me all this. But that would just be a little bit boring, wouldn't it? If I just did that. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get on track with my videos, okay? I keep saying this. And I need to. Alright, guys, I will try to, okay? There's motivation going for me, but just like, sometimes it's just not enough, but it's fine. I'm gonna be making, hopefully, a lot of videos. I'm probably gonna make a New Year's video. That's not for sure, but I'm trying. I don't know anymore. Alright, so guys, we are going to be doing Dandelion Field. Oh god, what the heck? Festive gifts from Mikoyes. Mikoyes. Oh, that is an interesting name. Wait, so I actually get a present? Okay, that was a present from before, but I don't know if I got a present. Oh, I received 2 treats, I believe. Wait, what was that? Okay, I received 2 pineapples and 2 treats. Wow, that was really that was really useful. Okay, now let's continue to just do Dandelion Field. So yeah, the 2x event is gone, even though the game still says 2x event. I don't know what's up with that. I think one that isn't really gonna change that anytime soon. Oh my god, wait, why are there like, what the, what, why? What is that? Oh my god, it's like, it's, what? Wait, why is the honey connected? What is happening? Oh my, is that a glitch? Oh my god, there's yellow strings. It's supposed to be like when you make honey. I don't get this. Yeah, okay. So let's get doing the this is boring. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're going to be going over here then. Boring. Okay. Boring. Okay, get it. It's boring. Let's go over here. Kill me. Alright, we're Alright guys, we're going over here and we're gonna kill some ants. Because we're brutal, and actually they hurt us, so never mind. We're killing our ants because we're not brutal. Kill everything. Okay, so, they're more responding in. Alright, so there's ants without textures, like always. Alright. So, now we gotta just get pollen, basically. Actually, we don't actually get the pollen because it actually doesn't. Okay, well, that's great. That is a super terrific. Isn't that now? Alright, so that's great. Let's see. I can actually do one more. Should I do one more, guys? Okay, I'll do one more then. I actually don't know what you said, but I'm assuming you said yes. Okay, if you didn't say yes, then I'm doing it anyways. Alright, let's see. Now, we're going over. Let's claim my ticket. Receive ant pass. Yes, it is the pass the ant thing. Okay. Oh my god, I swear if I die in the first 2 rounds again, I'm not going to be happy, okay? Or like the first 5, I don't know. Don't kill me, please don't kill me. Good, good, good. No, let me just get, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Give me all of this. Give me all of this. Give me all of this. Give me, oh, God, army, no, no, no. If I die in the second round again, I'm gonna go crazy. No, I mean, not crazy, but yeah, I don't know. Now, guys, we are. Oh, nope. That's not dope. 'Cause I said nope. I do not want to die. Okay, come on, get all this pollen. It's pollen, boy. It's pollen, boy. Alright, give me all this pollen. Alright, let's see. Good. Get to. Okay, great. No. Nope. No, I know what you're thinking. Flying ant. Nope. Okay, good. They're all dead. Y'all. Wait, should I do a video reacting to what was it called again? YouTube Rewind. Maybe I should get a video that has no answer, because big copyright. Oh god, okay. I died again. Keyboard. Whatever. Okay. It's all good. Okay. Okay, the textures have now loaded. Alright, guys. Well, forget that. I'm going to the King Beetle! Alright. Okay. Like, a bit faster. Stop lagging. Oh my god. Okay. We're going to the King Beetles. The King Beetles. Alright. So, the King Beetles is right here. So, oh my god. Okay, wait. Okay, there we go. Great. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and don't die. Please don't die. I swear, if I die, that's what happens if I die. Okay. I'm gonna do that for, oh god, 30 seconds straight. No. Okay, fine. I'll do it for 30 seconds straight if I die. Okay. Okay, well, I'm not dead yet, but okay. Don't kill me. Okay, King Bell. Okay, I have better bees, so he's dying faster than usual. So that's really good, I think. Alright. Okay, don't kill me. No, I swear, if you kill me, I'm gonna be mad. Oh. Just kidding, that's pity. That's a pity. Please don't kill me. I swear if I... No. Okay. He's at like, how much health? Ooh, 400, 300, 200. Oh, okay. 100, I think. Wait, almost 150. Not really. Okay, he's still on 2. No. That wasn't me. Please, no. Okay. Oh my god. That was actually kind of scary then. How's Roblox game scary? Oh my god, man up. Alright, guys. Today. Oh wait, what? I already said that. That's my intro. What the? Alright, guys. So, yeah. This was good. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy this video, I'm sorry. I am so very sorry if you did not enjoy this video. But if you did enjoy this video, if you did, actually, wait, why would you be sticking around till the end if you didn't like the video? Huh, strange. Anyways, but if you did like the video, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, please. Just that help me out. I only have 57 subscribers, but please help me out. And if you really, if you're happy and you know it, tap that like button. Okay, not the upside down one. The like button. Okay. Okay. Good. Anyways, if you stuck around to the end of the video, comment cheeseburger. Okay. Comment cheeseburger if you went to the end of the video. Okay. Bye. See you guys in the next video, which will happen. Bye. Wait, this is still recording? Uh-oh, what is opening? Oh, okay, technical difficulties. Bye! Wait, I can't do anything now. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, make fun of me in the comments. Just kidding, please don't.